All right, y'all. So I decided to go ahead and start on my pile of that's my pile of stuff I gotta put back on these cars. The shelf fell on all these. So I gotta get them fixed, clean them up. Y'all stay tuned. Hey, what's up, y'all? All right, so I got the repairs done. The hood on the Mustang never really did close all the way like it was supposed to, but I had to put the front bumper on and put the steering wheel back on, and I got a passenger seat over there that's running loose. It's just sitting still right now, but it needs to be glued back. But in order to fix it properly, I have to take the car all the way apart, and I'm not doing that because I got some stuff underneath the hood of it that's glued together. So if I take it apart, all that's gonna come apart. So I'm not gonna deal with it. Yeah, it's gonna come apart up under here. I think the cooling hose or whatever is glued together, but that never did really. I'm gonna put it back in the display and keep the hood up on it. The Chevelle, uh, the Chevelle, I had to put the front bumper back on and put the vent back on, and I knocked the mirror off. I had to put the mirror back on. The mirrors on those Chevelle kits, man, they don't. If you don't, they don't. If you barely can tap them, and they'll fall off. The El Camino, I had to put the front bumper on. The Cutlass, I had to put the windshield back in. The Grand National, I had to put both of the quarter windows back in, and the Monte Carlo, I just had to put the wheels back on it. Um, that Monte Carlo is the engine on it is not all the way done, so it's just for show really. And I took the wheels out of the El Camino lowrider kit, and put on there a while back. So let me say this though. From the last 2 or 3 bills I have done, I can really tell the difference between then, and then now. Um, my um, painting skills have improved a whole lot. So I'm gonna, yeah. So I'm gonna just put these back in the case. I want to wipe them down at another time. I also have some over here that I have. I got to put back in the display case because I took them to a monthly meeting with me to show. So they still packed up. I got the Wildcat here. This is one of my favorites. This Joker is beautiful. I gotta put that back in the case. Oh, don't drive off from me. I got Camaro. Yeah, that Camaro is one of my latest ones too. I'm starting me a little Camaro collection, so once I get a bigger display, I'm gonna have all my Camaros on one shelf. And these cars been wrapped up maybe about a month now. I really hate this one the same colors, that one. Man, that's beautiful. These cars here are nice. I can tell the big difference in between the time. I don't have my mic on either, y'all, so I hope y'all can hear me. I forgot to plug them up. I just want to do a quick video right quick. The Chevelle, the mirrors, man, the mirrors won't stay on. I hate that. But these cars are so clean. I really do not want to. Man, I don't want to sit them in the shelf and get them dusty because I have to. They need to be clean. GTO. This is the first GTO. Everybody complain about this kit, which is it. boy, it got some flaws to it, but now I know what to expect. So my next my next GTO build, which is gonna be pretty soon, I need to go grab me one now because I'm gonna join the group build, the Luca group build that they doing. So hopefully Hobby Lobby has some, because I seen some people posting in the group that they were sold out everywhere. So that's that Nova. And the last one, which is one of my first, this is my very first build right here, the 442. I didn't know what I was doing, but I thought it came out pretty good whenever I was first done with it. So yeah, so I'm gonna put these back. I really hate to put them on the shelf because, man, they're gonna get dusty. So I don't know. I gotta put it back in there because that's where they belong. Y'all tell me how y'all clean y'all kits, keep them dust free. Because when the dust get on them, it's a whole different story. All right, y'all, that's it. That's all. I got another video coming up here shortly. I just want to, show you guys that I repaired all the ones that need to be repaired. All right, I'm out.